influencer in the young generation. So,
Check this out!
hello everyone and welcome to the Influence Unplugged, the podcast where we dive deep into the fostering world social media influencer and their impact on today's youth generation. I'm your host, Jimmy Ardi, and I am thrilled to have you join us for this thought-provoking journey. Have you ever wondered how those Instagram stars, TikToks, sensation, and YouTube gurus shape the minds of our younger generation? Well, you're not alone. In this episode, we will explore the power of influencer, the bad, the good, and the sometimes downright perplexing. Before we dive in, I have four guests that have here today. That are Dina Rokhanipah, Brigita Natalia Soina Naibaho, Indah Cahyaratri Laksmi Kartika Maharani, and Nadia Maulida, which will provide us with information related to our topic today. So, let's set the stage. Social media has become an integral part in our lives. According to the Stage of Global Report, a whopping 53% of world population, yes, that over 5 billion people has active on social platforms. And guess what? Our youth folks are leading the charge. But here it is. Alongside cute cat videos and mouth-watering food speech, influencers can have taken center stage. They are not just posting a selfie, they are saving opinions, promoting trends, and even influencing behaviors. Let's talk about the impacts. On one hand, influencers can inspire positive change. They raise awareness about social issues, encourage self-love, and empower their followers. But on the flip side, they curate and edit content can create a distorted views of reality. So, I want to ask you, Dina Rokhanipah, in your opinion, what role do social media influencers can impact the play in shaping opinions and choice of young generation, and how they influence the both on positive and negative ways?
Okay, we have a hot topic here to discuss today. It's about how influencer influence a young generation. Social media influencer have indeed become a powerful force in shaping opinion and option in young generation, especially those who are usually use social media platform every day like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, or YouTube. And someone who watch some content in timeline, FYP, or homepage. If we talking about influencer, we also talk about social media too, right? Influencer influence various aspects of lifestyle, like fashion and beauty trends from head to toe, healthy trend, or even political issues. They can impact young generation because they're presenting themselves as well. Their ability to connect with young audience in a personal level, often presenting themselves as friends or someone who close with them. Now I want to talk about the impact or effect from the influencer. The first is the positive impact. Influencer can give the audience inspire creativity or innovation, education and awareness, and also community building. And the last is positive role models. I also feel these positive ways. If I want to cooking and I can do some recipe, so I search content cooking, and I follow their step on step and make me can cook. And I watch some sport content. It's give me tips for spirit in workout. Influencer also give some negative impact on our life, like sometimes influencer promote their unrealistic lifestyle or gimmick and make some people have impulsive buying because FOMO or fear of missing out, and negative influence or mental health, and the last is full body insecurity. Have you guys seen in your FYP or timeline a video of content beauty vlogger? They promote their product or skincare, and then you like, oh, I have to buy this right now, and you open your e-commerce and check a product without we realizing we are in impulsive buying condition because we are keracunan or FOMO, and then we check the product. Additionally, influencers have the potential to build community supportive around shared interests, fostering a sense of unity among their followers.
Okay, that's so influencer can shape young generation opinions through their contents, but there's maybe other impacts such as change in the lifestyle of young generation who view their contents. So Brigitta, how do you think influencer can impact the lifestyle choice and perception of young generation?
So, social media influencers have the ability to influence the lifestyle choices and perceptions of young people by promoting certain products, behaviors, and ideals. They can inspire new interests, creative ideas, and a sense of community around common interests, but they can also contribute to negative elements of body image and self-esteem by presenting idealized versions of themselves. This influence on lifestyle choices and perceptions is a complex issue with both positive and negative customs. So the positive impacts is role model and inspiration. Influencers can be seen as aspirational figures, inspiring young people to pursue hobbies, interests, and careers they might not have considered before. So the second is exposure to new ideas. Influencers can introduce young people to new trends, products, and social issues, broadening their horizons and perspectives. The third is body positivity and self-expression. Some influencers promote healthy lifestyle, self-acceptance, and positive body image, which can be especially helpful for young people navigating these areas. And you know, guys, the lifestyle choices is have negative impacts also. Like the first one is unrealistic expectation. Influencers often portray a curated and edited version of their lives, which can lead young people to develop unrealistic expectation about appearance, wealth, and success. This can cause feelings of inadequacy and classifications, decertification. The second is unhealthy habits. Some influencers might practice endorse products that we don't know is it good or bad, that aren't beneficial. Young people might adopt these habits without realizing the potential risks. So overall, I think influencer is have impact, very impact, like positive and negative to young people. That is.
Wow, that's turned out that influencer can make a lot of change in our lifestyle. especially in young generation because they easily to inspired by what they see. However, as we know, many influencers live a luxury and royal lifestyle, and they have beautiful face and live happy lives. And maybe there is someone who inspired by them and want to be like them, but they can't because they have many obstacles such as shortcoming, and they feel they didn't beautiful enough to be like them, and makes him or her become insecure and self-blaming. It's maybe affect their mental health and thoughts. So, Indah Chaya, in your opinion, can influencer have impacts on mental health on young generation? Is it positive or negative impacts?
In my opinion, yes, influencers have an impact to mental health of young generation. Whether it's positive or negative depends on several factors, including the content, the message on how the influencer handle the sensitive topic about body image, self-esteem, or mental health issues. A wise influencer will create a content that can be useful for your generation, such as makeup content that can make us to look good, or content about how to manage ourselves with good affirmation, and provide constructive message to youth generation to face all the challenges in our life. Meanwhile, there are quite a few influencer that who promote their content inconsistently, or they make content with contributing to unrealistic standard or encouraging dangerous behavior. For example, they make content about negative statement, or making joking video about mental health someone mental health, or making a video about derogatory, such as recently there was an influencer who comment the woman trend. It was my makeup routine, so he making joking about us by saying that we have an expensive makeup tools by pay later, but unfortunately the joking video is not funny at all. Well, because women do this trend to sharing with other women, right? And women do makeup for self-healing, to reduce our feeling of insecurity. That influencer just doesn't understand about woman's life in terms of beauty, so he shouldn't be sarcastic, or he shouldn't be making joking for us with disrespectful words about women who doing this trend.
Okay, so there are so many influencers can impact the young generation. I'm wondering how does influencer can influence young generation in one country like Nigeria, the good and bad influence or impacts. As we know, they're often influenced by the social terms, traditional, cultural, education, family, value, fear, and environmental factors before they encourage the influencers. So Nadia, can you give me the aspect they were influenced?
Okay. Actually, there is not much different from other country. So in Nigeria too, the young generation got influenced by the influencer to buy a skincare or makeup to take care of their looks and body. So they have a beautiful looks, got good lookings, and got a confidence. And for the influencer, they got a lot of money from there. And for the impacts of the influencer in Nigerian generation can be variative. It can positive or negative, depends on the content and the message. And for the example, my experience, I got influenced by the beauty vlogger as Mary Angeline. So in her content, he made a content like how to take care of your skin, take care of your hair or of your body and your mindset to have a confidence, you know. And I watch him and I watch her from the like 12 years old. It's yeah, I know it's young, and until now I still I still influenced by her. And the negative example, like when you watch a content like reacting a meme, you know, like shit posting, there is a negative impact. Like you can, I'm sorry, you can say a bad things like you that's so creepy or that's so ugly, blah blah blah, like that, and that's not good, and that's a negative impact. And also other negative impacts, like we can be a consumptive person. Like I agree with Dina's opinion before. She said someone will get FOMO from what they watch and what they see. Blah. Yeah. So that.
Thank you, Nadia, and thank you all. We have received a lot of information that our influencers can have many impacts in various aspects on the young generation today. So remember, guys, influencers that not in harmful or bad. They are looks double-edged sword, sharp and shiny, but with potential to cut both ways. So, how do we separate these digital landscapes, and how do we help our youth separate this and head from the stage? So, grab your headphones, settle in, and let's embrace this journey together. Influence unplugged, because understanding the influence today means shaping a better tomorrow. See you in the next episode. Until then, keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, you're more than just a follower. See you again.